Hello everybody, Michael LeBlanc here, sitting in a car, but still sitting with you wherever you are. There are technical issues in the background. I'm here to talk to you about things that you want to do. If there's something out there that you want to do, go out there and do it. It's kind of like that thing where don't let your dreams be dreams, but I'm not going to make a meme out of it. I'm not going to stand in front of a green screen. I'm not going to let you guys turn me into something to make fun of. Not purposely. I just want you guys to go out there and keep doing what it is that you want to do. You don't have to necessarily know what your passion is in order to try to find something to be passionate about. Sometimes it's about stumbling into a passion. Sometimes it's about saying yes to something unexpected and realizing that it made you feel good. It made you feel like that you had an outlet for something that you wanted to do. Recently, I was pulled up on stage by somebody who thought because I was smiling at them that I had jokes to tell. And now it turns out that I like open mic night. I made a couple of people chuckle. Don't think I'm a comedian by any sorts, but I did feel good just up there talking. Now, that doesn't seem like it's that surprising, considering the fact that I like to stand in front of a camera and talk, but there's nobody necessarily staring at me except for the cold, expressionless eye of the camera. When it's other people actually looking at me while I was on the stage, it was a whole different feeling. I could see my words reacting to people right at the same time as I was saying them. And really, that was a interesting feeling, something that I enjoyed doing. And no, that's not a train. That's somebody's notification sound. But that's okay. Because sometimes making videos is accepting what happens in the background. However, I'm silencing your phone.
How rude.
Quiet on set. Thanks for coming along on this small ride, guys. We're going to go get some gas now. I'm going to do my quick whistle, and I plan on joining you. I think this will take less than a minute. It's going to be a smaller video. I just wanted to put that out there. I'm about to do a video about living purposely on Facebook, and I was thinking that if you guys were interested enough in what I'm saying, maybe you would like to see a live video as that as well. It may change, considering what my schedule may do here soon. I don't know. May have a new job. Maybe I won't be able to film on Saturday mornings. Maybe I have to change. Maybe I have to adjust how I'm chasing my passion. But still, it's going to get done. Let's do some whistles. Your purse fell.
Your purse fell.
I have no purse.
You also can't whistle.
I don't need that kind of negativity in my life. She may be right, though. I don't think I can whistle today. It's not happening today. It's not also happening today. That's a flub. That's a flub right there. I'm going to go ahead and go. Thanks for sitting with me, guys. As always, thanks for sitting with me, as I've already said. I love you guys. Marchus Annus, Unus Annus, Memento Mori.